Hello friends, in today's video I will discuss two simple, super quick and easy DIYs to have amazing Korean skin whitening effect on our skin with our super favorite ingredient rice. The first is rice face mask. For the preparation you will need 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix well all the ingredients and apply evenly on your face. But first make sure that your face is neat and clean, with no particles of dust or any makeup. Let the mixture on your face for about 20 minutes and then wash it off with normal water. Rub the face mask with your fingertips in circular motions for about 3 seconds while washing it off from your face. This mask will act as natural exfoliator, skin brightener, fades off blemishes, lightens your skin tone and act as natural bleaching agent. The second super amazing remedy for this flawless Korean skin is rice ice cubes. Take the leftover boiled rice and blend it to make paste. Add 1 teaspoon of rose water, 2 tablespoons of raw milk. To this 2 tablespoons of rice paste. Mix well and place it in ice cube tray. Freeze it. You can rub this rice ice cubes in morning and night twice a day and make it a part of your skincare routine. Every time the application of ice cube will give your face an instant glow, freshness and brightening effect to your skin. Hope you liked the video. If so, give it a huge thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.